Small dehumidifier for grow tent. A small dehumidifier is a device that is used to remove moisture from the air. This can be useful in homes or offices where there is a lot of humidity, as it can help to reduce the growth of mold and mildew. Dehumidifiers come in different sizes, so a small dehumidifier is one that is specifically designed for smaller spaces. Benefits of using dehumidifier in a grow tent. Small dehumidifier for grow tent help to keep the air in your grow tent dry, which can improve plant growth and prevent problems such as mold and mildew. 4 best small dehumidifiers for grow tents. Number 1. VivoSun Small Space Mini Dehumidifier for Grow Tent. Number 2. VivoSun Small Space Mini Dehumidifier. Number 3. VivoSun Electric Mini Dehumidifier. Number 4. Inkbird Humidity Controller IHC 200 Humidistat.